Good morning, traders. Hope you guys are doing well. Missed yesterday. Any of you guys get NXTC or today CNST? These things are taken on off. Any of you guys get those? Just watching from this side of the street, I kind of like the easier stuff, but they're still fun to watch. Still fun to watch. Let me know if you guys traded those. Today, 2 for 2. Gotta let some of these work for me, guys. One of these trades is embarrassing. Just took it very prematurely. That is my problem. It's been my problem my whole trading career is logging in profits way too early. A way to negate that emotion is to scale out half. Take half of my profits, let the rest ride out. Then take quarter, then take another quarter. Sometimes I do it all right, but then sometimes, like today, man, just leave so much room on the tables. There's a lot of money to be made in leftovers, and gotta do it. So today I'm going to get to show you guys as well the 200-day moving average. I use that on my chart for every single trade. It works very well. Is it the holy grail indicator? No, nothing is. But I take it as a guide. I look at it. Most traders are looking at this. I want to see what most traders are looking at because what? If most traders are using a tool, most traders are going to be, governing their decision making around, their trade by using that. So I just want to know what most people are seeing, what most people are trading around. That's why I use it. And it works a lot. You guys see in the videos. So let's get straight into the video. And we are open, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what's going to be popping on off today. BRZU, wouldn't mind more panic here. This is right near the 200-day on the daily. That is going to be right there. That is going to be right there at 30.50. So what might have dropping below that? Scooping it on up. We'll see if it's heavy out of the gates. Looking for a fast move, though, because the faster the move, the weaker the trend. All right, starting at 30.33. Looking for this to, get under 30. All right, just added there 30.12. And looking for one more. I want this under 30. All right, just took half off right there, about 30.40. Okay, I'm just going to take the rest of it there, about 30.45 as well. Hoping this thing comes down under 30. That's where I like to scoop it. And here comes the 30.50s. Dang it, BRZU. Wasn't here yesterday. Probably a little rust. 30.70, 30.75. All right, moving on to the next one, though. ATUS, what I like here is this one coming below that 200-day right now. That's what I looked for. Low on the RSI, under a 30. Coming below that 200-day, we're seeing panic. This is already oversold. Not going to buy it here on this pop, though. Up towards 25. Need it on a sell-off. Want to see some panic. Want to see some emotion behind it. Ugh, ATUS now. This one's starting to look good. Now look at ATUS. Already up nearly a point. And the daily here, bouncing right off the 200-day moving average. Looking beautiful. Man, that thing's at 25.73 now. Oh, that's a pain, guys. Talk about emotions in the ocean. EVRI may take a position here under 11. I just got in 10.95. EVRI. And going to come out all there 11.12. 11.12 EVRI. That was just a quick one right there. Buy fear, sell euphoria. That's all there is to it. As Warren Buffett said, be greedy when others are fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy. Here's another example of a stock I just pulled up. So this can either be traded on, the euphoric side or the fearful side, whichever one. Example CARG right now. Try to pop over the 200-day and retraced it. And we look at its past chart history, and we can tell that this thing respects the 200-day. Every time it comes up towards it, it's unable to break. These moving averages are respected amongst the trading community. That's why I use them. They work. Is it 100% guarantee? No. I mean, I don't trade it
as if it's the Holy Grail. I just use it as a guide. Say, okay, I'm going to let it play around this area some, just like on ATUS this morning, just like as it does on many, many others. I believe that is going to wrap up the trading day. A couple things to learn, though. The 2 trades I took, ATUS, this is the one I didn't take. This one would have worked out very, very well. Some of these you just got to pull the trigger on. You got to pull the trigger on them. Even when they're scary, embrace that fear. Embrace the fear, trade it. So ATUS, that was that. Missed it. Should have pulled the trigger, didn't. The next one was BRZU. BRZU. Oh, this is painful. That is painful. That is embarrassing to look at. Very embarrassing to look at. This one should have leftovers. Should have leftovers. Got out so prematurely. Frustrating. Very frustrating one. Don't want to look at that one anymore. All right, we'll learn from it and move on. Those are the 2 trades I had today. That's going to wrap it up. Should have had ATUS. Would have been a nice 3 for 3 day. But that's going to wrap up the day trades. Let me know how you guys did in the comment section below. Hit that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see y'all first thing tomorrow.